Welcome back, my YouTube friends and family, and happy Monday, or if you're new here, welcome. This is Lindsay, and I am back with more daily work from home job leads for you. In today's video, I have jobs from quality assurance that are hiring. Amazon is even hiring a chat specialist. We have some customer service jobs, so hopefully we have a mixed bag, a little bit of something for everyone. Most of these are not going to require a college degree, and pay is anywhere from like $900 a week all the way up to $2,300 a week. So we're going to dive all in. As always, I do ask that if you enjoy anything that I share, let me know. Give this video a thumbs up, like button. Timestamps will be in the YouTube description box below this video. And also in the YouTube description box, there's a link that goes to my website. And the page on the website will have all of these Glassdoor pages and all these application pages if you're interested in any of these jobs that I'm sharing. But first up, without wasting any more time, we have the company Armstrong World Industries. They have 335 reviews from past and current employees. They do have an employee satisfaction rating that's relatively high, coming in at 4.2 out of 5 stars. They are hiring an e-commerce merchandising assistant. This is going to be remote for the United States. It's a work from home position. Everything I share is going to be for the United States only. Pay for this is going to be anywhere from $47,000 a year up to $65,000 a year. But they are looking for somebody to help their customers have a seamless shopping experience as they grow their business. So you're really going to support that day-to-day website performance, merchandising, and operations, just providing that optimized customer support. So you're really handling those e-commerce sites, like the product merchandising on the actual website. You're going to monitor the inventory, making sure that inventory is up to date in the system so that the website is also up to date. You're going to test the website, do routine maintenance, making sure that it is up so that people can shop on it. You're going to manage the product catalog, adding new products as needed, making sure they're accurate and consistent across all touch points. So in adding those new products, you're going to add the new product SKUs to the website, test it, check it for accuracy, just making sure that all inventory locations monitor the inventory levels to make sure that there's proper inventory for timely fulfillment of all of these online orders. So you're basically handling everything on that website, just making sure all the products are up to date, prices are correct, SKUs are correct, all of that fun stuff. Now, while they only require a high school diploma or GED, no college degree is officially required. They do prefer somebody who has a bachelor degree, associate degree, or technical school degree. So if you have any other higher education, make sure that's on your resume. It might get you a top of the line for an interview. They're looking for somebody who has 1 year experience in e-commerce merchandising is preferred. Again, not required. You do have to have great experience with those Microsoft Office systems like Word, Excel. They prefer somebody who knows how to work with Shopify or e-commerce online, but you've got to be very detail-oriented, a problem solver, very analytical, and a quick learner, someone who is quick on their feet to just solve all the problems. If retail and merchandising is not your specialty though, that's okay. Moving on, we have the company Brightree. This is going to be in the healthcare field. They have 180 reviews from past and current employees, an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.3 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a quality assurance specialist for their cash posting division. So you are going to be responsible for the quality of the cash posting department. You're going to make sure that payments are posted accurately from multiple different sources and multiple different clients. You'll reconcile the deposits and resolve any errors or discrepancies, making sure that what you say you have deposited in the bank accounts is the exact amount that is coming in. You're going to review the remittance advice from insurance companies who are sending the payments, making sure appropriate payments have been received, posted. All the adjustments, balance transfers, or recoupments have also been posted in the system, and everything just reconciles or matches up. You're going to respond to inquiries regarding any of these payments or reconciliation processes, and then you are going to perform a quality review on the cash posting transactions that are posted. So after all is said and done, you're basically going to do a double check and review, making sure everything is accurate according to the policies and procedures. They only require a high school diploma or GED. They do want somebody who has experience in cash posting, who has great communication skills, and who has very great organizational skills with high attention to detail, because you've got to check, double check, triple check, make sure all of these things, all the numbers are correct and add up to the correct things. So of course you've got to be detail oriented and have like those computer skills using those Microsoft Office systems. Pay is going to be dependent on things like experience and location, but can go anywhere from $16.30 an hour all the way up to $24.44 an hour. Now, if you like beauty products, or especially luxury beauty products, if you have experience like in the beauty realm, Amazon is looking for you. Amazon has 200,000 reviews from past and current employees, an employee rating of 3.7 out of 5 stars. And they're hiring somebody to handle their luxury beauty chat consultant. Now, this is going to be remote, but they're only hiring in certain states. They're looking for New York, California, Texas, Virginia, or Washington State. They are looking for somebody to work a standard 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time day shift hours, because their operating hours, they do operate 7 days a week. So they do have daytime hours, but you may be working some nights and weekends because they do operate their chat services 7 days a week. They are looking for somebody to provide personalized recommendations for customers through chat, so through that website chat, utilizing beauty expertise and brand and product knowledge. So you're going to offer advice through conducting these online one-to-one consultations. So you'll be in a one-to-one consultation through chat with them, just recommending products for them based on what they're telling you they need. So you're going to communicate with multiple customers at the same time, so you'll have multiple chat windows open. So you are going to have to be a multitasker and work good under stressful situations. You've got to keep friendly, personalized, informative information flowing to these customers. So you really need to be able to identify and understand their individual needs, personal preferences, and assist them in selecting tailored skincare and makeup products. So maybe I am on the Amazon chat and I'm telling you I have dry skin, I have oily skin, I have whatever, and you're supposed to suggest products for me based on what I'm telling you, and then I can order them straight from Amazon. They want somebody who has 2 years of beauty experience. That can include retail sales, counter, or chat selling. So if you've ever worked like in retail in Ulta or Sephora or stores like that, but you don't want to work in the retail store anymore, you want to work from home, this would be a perfect transition for you. They're looking for somebody who has great communication skills, has knowledge of luxury beauty products, and can just be passionate about selling those services and products to the customer. Of course, you got to be savvy with computers and be able to use computer systems. Now, pay is going to be dependent on your location in which you live. Pay goes anywhere from $31,200 a year all the way up to $65,100 a year. So there's 52 weeks in a year. So if you can get anywhere from 52 to 65,000, that's going to be $1,000 or more a week. For those of you who are just looking for customer service type work, next up we have First Citizens Bank. They have 1,100 reviews on Glassdoor, an overall rating of 3.7 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a bank business support specialist. You'll be working out of their remote call center. Now, real quickly, one thing I do want to note about this does say it's a remote position between the hours of 9 a.m. and 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, so you will have to work the Eastern Standard Time Zone. This specific branch is located in Raleigh, North Carolina, but it doesn't say that they're only hiring in North Carolina, so please just be aware. I don't have any information outside of the job posting. I don't work for any of these companies. I'm simply sharing what I find online. But if they don't state that they're not hiring anywhere else, I'm just going to assume that they are taking applications from throughout the United States. Anyways, they are looking for somebody to provide technical troubleshooting and support for a wide array of their treasury bank services. You're going to perform various operational tasks for the customer and associate inquiries, just consulting with the clients, practicing great listening skills. So you are just literally answering the phone and trying to answer any technical issues that they have. They are looking for somebody who's a high school diploma or GED and 2 years of customer service experience. That's all that's required. Pay is anywhere from $23.07 an hour up to $27.88 an hour. Keeping it moving though, next up we have TMF Health Quality Institute. They have 61 reviews on Glassdoor, an overall rating of 3.9 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a quality auditor. This is anywhere in the United States. And so they are really looking for somebody to perform audits and examination on their case files, just looking for any errors or any specific things that are non-compliant within their policies and procedures. So you're really reviewing these cases and trying to find where things are wrong. You're going to share educational feedback with trends and insights that you find, performing just data analysis and review, identifying just any improvement opportunities in the appeals process that you can find to reduce unnecessary appeals. So this is a healthcare company, and you are basically auditing the second level appeals of claim or healthcare claims that come in, making sure like everything is, they have a policy of if you're going to appeal something, this is what you need. You're making sure that just everything is up to up based on that policy. So it's basically like just quality double checking. You'll perform these quality supports to the department, including assisting analysts in data interpretation. So if the analyst can't figure something out, you're going to help them in figuring out. Now you will have to train new employees from time to time. They do only require a high school diploma or GED and 3 years of general office experience. So if you've ever had just like administrative office type experience, they do prefer somebody who's 1 year of appeals or other healthcare related experience. And sadly for this one, they did not list pay. That'll need to be discussed with them at the time of the interview. And last but not least, we have a human resources job that's paying very high. I've said this in a few videos before. If you have any skills or you want to move into a remote work from home position that pays very well, human resources is a great field to get into. Now, the company is Descript. They only have 14 reviews on Glassdoor, so I always urge you to do your own research on any companies before giving them your personal information. Descript is a new up-and-coming startup company. They are an AI company. They do have a software product. I have tested personally their software product before, but I know nothing about the company as far as like working for them. I've never worked for them. They do have a high employee satisfaction rating though of 4.4 out of 5 stars. They're looking for an HR specialist for their systems and data. This is going to be remote for the United States. You will take charge of their compensation reviews by processing all of the data collected, just reviewing and analyzing it and making like PowerPoint presentations and mapping out, making sure that they are paying competitive and equity pay rates to their employees. So you are basically going to be doing a lot of research on positions that they hire for, what's normal pay for other companies, things like that. You're collecting that data and organizing it in a presentation for them. You're going to make sure data and reporting capabilities continue to scale and help the company. And of course, because this is HR, you're going to lead in the administration of the optimization of all of their HR systems like Bamboo HR, Assemble, Human Interest, things like that. You will have to also work with the employees since you are HR, streamlining any employee activities. You'll help with like budgeting, payroll, all of those different HR related activities. You can be based remotely, but you have to work 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Pacific time. They are looking for somebody who has 4 to 6 years of experience in HR or like people operations. Somebody who has experience in building data and reporting, somebody who can just collect, analyze, and communicate large amounts of data, great communication skills, and great problem-solving skills. Pay is where this job really shines. The lowest pay is $122,213 a year, with the highest pay being $190,620 a year. Now, even on the low end at $122,000 a year, that is $2,300 a week. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Always feel free to leave in the comments anything that you're looking for, and never make any promises. I do read those and keep that in mind, though. Don't forget, if you enjoyed any of these job leads, give this video a thumbs up, like button, share with all your friends and family, and of course, I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.